Let's draw a butterfly. A long skinny body. Your turn. A big top wing. The other top wing. A little bottom wing. One more wing. A curly antenna. And its twin. Great job!